Do not wait until January to transform your life. Welcome to a space where we move our bodies every single day. Today, some nice, light, gentle cardio. Shift your body weight from side to side. Real gentle punch, just back and forth. We're just gonna wake up our bodies, begin to ignite that inner energy inside of us so that we can move through our day with incredible strength and ease. We show up here every day and build strength, mobility, balance, this incredible discipline and consistency, and an element of presence as well. We focus on this moment, this punch, this shift, each and every movement to get as much out of these short, relatively simple sessions. Let's go. All right, now pick up the pace just a little bit. Shift a little bit faster. Connect your breath to the movement. Brilliant. Now, take your shift a little bit further and raise your heel up. Want to stay in perpetual motion today. Light cardio, but see if we can't continue to move for the entire 10-minute session. Get our heart rate up, continue to build a strong heart so that we can climb the stairs, go for our evening walks, do the things we love to do. All right, one more to each side. Yes. Now, give your butt a little bit of a kick and open up your chest. Cardio today is the main theme, but when we open up our chests like this, we're creating great mobility. This movement around is creating strength. There'll be all elements in every session. Lots of functional fitness, qigong, yoga, tai chi. It's not the movement, it's just movement. Any way that you can move your body, it's gonna help quiet your mind, gonna allow you to build real strength that you can take with you well into quote unquote old age. Get a little bit bigger with the move. See if you can't bring your shoulder blades together. See if you can't reach that heel and give your butt a real kick. Sometimes we all need a little bit of a kick in the pants to get us started. Well, we're starting today on a nice 28-day December movement journey. Yes. Ooh, okay, lovely. Now, just a bit of a lateral skip. Swing your arms with intention. And remember, you modify every movement to suit your needs. We're all at different places. We're not comparing ourselves to anyone. You just do what works best for you. And if you like, you can really pick up the pace. Go for it. You can also just step, but do it with focus and intention. And let this toe tap be the most important. Now this and this. Okay, nicely done, nicely done. One, and we are done that movement. Bring your hands to your knees and just gently back and forward. Come to a straight leg, bend a little over. Breathe in and out. You're welcome to go with pace. Now take that just for a moment and do some real mindful circles. And already let's start to head in the other direction. Just keep moving through the whole session today. Okay. Ooh, here we go. Skip and twist. Keep your arms up nice and high. You can breathe in to one side and out to the other. Maybe could go real fast if you want. And if the skip's not there, you could just simply tap your toe and twist. Another lovely movement. Again, so just do what's best for you. Keep those arms up nice and high. You're gonna feel that in the upper back, shoulders. Okay, one more here. Brilliant. Tap your foot behind. Get real long with your arms. Reach as far back as you can. Reach up and out as far as possible. Really tap that toe with focus. Reach those arms out with intention. Feel that flexibility, mobility you're creating. And let's go. Breathe in, out. Head up high. 3, 2, 1. Lovely. Similar movement. We're gonna twist, bend down just a little bit, and reach over and up. Feel your spine decompressing. And if you're feeling it, you're welcome to move with a little bit of pace. Squat down just a little bit. And just keep moving. It's the showing up that matters. Consistency is the key, not the intensity. Oh, there we go. Excellent, excellent. We're gonna cross our arms now while we, that toe tap to the inside of our leg. Swing your arms back and then make a nice big cross up over your head. Head up high. Find the flow that works for you, and let's go. This first week of our 4-week journey is all about hope. And hope requires action. So for your physical fitness, your mental well-being, whatever you hope for, by coming and showing up every day for yourself and moving your body, bringing presence and awareness to everything you do, you're taking that action. So whatever you hope for is very likely to come true when you put hope and action together. Brilliant. Okay, one more to each side. Yes. Big circle, arms up over top, squat down just a little bit. In and out, and move with just a bit of pace here. Look up to the sky when you come to the top. And let's just go. Okay, last one right here. Oh, lovely. Let's really slow it down with this last movement before we complete our session. A very slow step jack. How are you feeling? Really connect to your breath now. Lots of dynamic movements throughout the next 4 weeks, just moving our bodies. If nothing else, we'll boost mood and elevate energy. There'll be some other pretty brilliant side effects that you will notice if you continue to show up every day. One more to each side. Oh, excellent. We will complete our session every day with a little mindful meditation, just something to help us connect to the moment, to avoid distraction, so that we can be really disciplined and pay attention to everything that we experience. Pick one of the birch trees right here or some other spot to give laser-like attention to, and all we're doing is focusing on that spot, watching the mind wander. When it comes back, when it leaves, you just bring your attention right back to that one spot. I'm gonna just gently shift my body weight from side to side in prayer posture. Pick your spot, give it all your attention, and just notice and be. 30 seconds or so. Oh, shake it out. Give yourself a pat on the back. Well done for showing up for day one of our December challenge. Let's continue to do this every single day. It truly matters that you show up for yourself. Thank you for making this space so special just by being you. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.